Ever wanted to create a voice bot that effortlessly chats in multiple languages, connecting you with a global audience? Let's build a multilingual voice bot on Retell AI, step-by-step, simplifying global communication. First, head to your Retell AI dashboard and click that prominent Create Bot button. Next, you'll name your bot something clever that reflects its multilingual ability. After that, select a natural-sounding voice that fits the bot's personality. You can easily preview the voice before finalizing this selection. Here's where the magic happens in the languages settings. Add the different languages you want your bot to speak. Choose from a wide range of languages via the drop-down menu. Retell AI supports a ton. Now for the conversation design, plan the flow and script for how your bot interacts in each language. Consider the different conversational scenarios you want to enable. Customize the responses in each language to make each interaction specific and natural. Time to test it out. Retell AI offers a great testing interface. Dial in and test the bot in each language to check the functionality and quality. Make tweaks as necessary until the bot responds perfectly in each language. And that's it. You've created a multilingual voice bot on Retell AI, and now you're ready to connect with a global audience. Happy building!